Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can restart VIVO phone without power button. So, firstly, you will need to enable the accessibility menu shortcut, which you can do by launching settings, then go in for the shortcut and accessibility category, then next go for the accessibility, find the accessibility menu section, then tap on it, and in here turn on the accessibility menu shortcut toggle. Then allow all the permissions, and now you have this convenient icon that you can tap, then select the power option from the menu over here, which will practically launch the power off menu, and then just tap at the restart option. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.